Hi guys, I'm Sarika and welcome back to my channel, Your Knowledge Buddy. So today I'm back with another new video where I'll be talking about scholarship, and this is from Italy today. So let's get started with the demo. So just little background. So the name of the scholarship is Invest Your Talent in Italy, and the country of study will be Italy if you get selected, and the course level is masters only. And the duration is 1 year. Financial coverage, this is fully funded. However, you need to pay the application fee of 150 euros, and the deadline is 15th of Feb 2022. Field of study is engineering, advanced technologies, architecture, design, economics, and management. And the start date of the scholarship will only be 1st of October 2022. Now, eligible countries to apply. So not all the countries can apply. Only few countries like India is there, Ghana is there, Brazil is there, and few more countries, as you can see from the screen. So if you don't belong to this country, please do not apply, as your application will be rejected. Now, financial coverage, like I said, this is fully funded. So all the candidates will be exempted from the tuition fee. And you'll also be given a stipend, which means students will receive 900 euros monthly allowance on a quarterly basis. Now, eligibility criteria. So there is an age bracket. Only if you're born on or after 1st of Jan 1995, you can apply. Otherwise, you shouldn't be applying. And also, of course, if you're applying for a renewal, then that's totally okay, whatever your age is. Now, candidates must obtain English language certificates, or you need IELTS or TOEFL to submit, and you must have a bachelor's degree. Because this is a master's program, so your bachelor's degree is a must. If you don't have a bachelor's degree or transcripts, if you cannot submit, there's no point of applying. Otherwise, your application will be rejected. Now, let's see the list of documents which needs to be submitted. So, like I said, your final transcripts and your final degree of your bachelor's, English language certificate, and Italian language is optional. It's not mandatory, as I've highlighted on my screen. And you need to submit an application essay video. So I'm not sure how many of you follow my videos, but previously I had covered about video CV. So if you go to my videos and search here as video CV and enter, you can see how you can create your video CV. So it's a quick demo. So if you don't know how to create a video CV, you should go and watch this video. And you need to provide your CV as well, and you also need to submit your passport. Now, how can you apply? So all the application process is online, and you need to apply online. So let's have a quick demo. So this is the official page where you can see they have provided steps how to apply. So the first thing is you need to select a course for yourself. Till the time you have not selected your course, you cannot proceed. Yeah. And of course, like I said, not all the countries are eligible, only few countries. And as you can see here, because you need scholarship, your deadline is 15th of Feb 2022. And there's a FAQ page where there are a lot of questions which are covered, which is going to help students. And I've opened it here. This is a really long list and really useful information. So I will encourage all the students to read all the FAQs rather than posting all the questions to me. There are a lot of help provided by the university itself. Let's click on here, courses. The moment you click on courses, you will be taken to this page where you can see the area, the courses, university. And here you can see whether it's available or not available. So here you can see unlimited access and limited access. So for this demo, I will be using strategic management. So click on strategic management and you will be shown this page. And from here, you can change your language. By default, it's Italian. So I'm changing this to English. Once the page is loaded, as you can see, there are lots of information. So there's a video already from the government. So make sure you just go and check it out. And there's a program insights. And there are quite a lot of other information like what will be your study plan. So I will encourage you guys to take some time, read out all the details. And once you are happy, here you can see the option of applying. So you need to click on apply now. So then you'll be prompted about the details like call for applications and other requisites, application fee, and apply here. So make sure on the right, read all the details here. And if you scroll down, there are a lot of other information, what score is needed for GMAT, GRE, or IELTS, how much you need to pay. There are plenty of information. And also you can see you need to create a form online. So what I have done for the demo, I've already created my online form. I've registered with them. So the moment you click on apply here, my ID is already included. So I will just log in. So make sure you register with them. and then you will be prompted to enter your details. First of all, I'm going to change this to English. And now you need to enter all your personal details. You need to submit your passport, your video CV, your transcripts, your bachelor's, university details, what courses you have selected for yourself. You can give two options: submit your transcripts of your bachelor's, your GMAT score or GRE score, which is optional here, and your preference of the courses, like I said, and test language. You can select English here, evidence of your English language, and just make sure you accept to their privacy. So that's all for the demo, guys. I believe this video is useful. Just go and check out their other options as well: documents, sponsor, contact, my app, registration, courses. So there are plenty of information available here, and I believe this is going to help you guys. And just a little reminder to my new friends and subscribers, I have created a playlist here, and one of the playlists is 2022 scholarships, where I have already uploaded 13 videos. So if you have missed out any of my previous videos, you can check out those now. Okay, good luck to everyone who's applying, and thanks for watching my video again, and I will be back soon with my another video. Till then, keep learning.